I'm Pakistani and you are Mr. Pakistan. And today this video I'll teach you how we can make a remote IR remote control home automation. So in the table, what plan is that when you can sit in the bed in night time you can need to turn on or turn off your appliances, either fan or bulb. Then you can that up with bed and then go to the switchboard to turn on light source and fan. So easy way to control any appliance with your IR remote in your bed. So how is it to make this first? There's Arduino based on Arduino powering by 5 volt power bank. You can use 5 volt adapter. I not yet touch but all the circuit is live. Arduino 5 volts is an IER receiver. This IR receiver in breadboard. 5 volt IR receiver ground is Arduino ground. And Arduino 5 analog 0 is connected to the sensor output pin, which is IR output pin. And 5 volt ground of Arduino is also not relay the single channel module and the 4 or 5 channel relay or 8 channel relay if you want. But I can have one single channel relay and single channel 5 volt to 5 volt down single pin to the digital 2 pin of the Arduino. And relay output is connected one common to a switchboard, other is connected bulb other terminal is connected to the other terminal of a switchboard. Now this is a remote, you can use any universal TV remote. How you can set them, I tell you later in the end of the video. First I push this switch, I include 2 switches, this on button and one is off. If I press on button, bulb on. If I press off, bulb off. So you can control this thing up to the 5 to 6 kilometers up range, on slash off. And now it's explained during the laptop screen. Now I explain. So basically there's I am partly to tell you how I set this. The normal, it is not a normal process. We need to first, IR at store. So that's why first we need to do take a project, make a project, and this time I already made a project. And so project plug in your laptop. Make sure it will not connect with live mains power, and then go to the computer screen. While cell phone it will may not be clear, but we need to little bit zoom up. First, we go to the open the software and upload the software by clicking this upload button, this arrow button. Once it's upload, I already upload this, so I cannot re-upload. You can push this, click this arrow, your code will be upload, and open the serial monitor, switch baud rate there, and see a little zoom. Baud rate 9600 baud rate, which is a baud rate. We can set the 9000 baud rate. Set new line. Output is cleared. Now back to the remote. This is the remote. Let me back. Zoom out. And now to the showing the here. If I push the any button in the sensor, and it will, I put 4 or 5 switches at a time. Now showing the screen again. Little zoom. You can see you can get me a code. Every button, when I push this button to IR sender, you can see there you can get me the add store to the figure monitor right now there. Every button has its own add stored. So you can copy this add stored in the paper or notepad, and there you may one thing note, when I push the one switch, sometime it will put 2 add stored. So one is the add stored and one is a random value. In this case FFF is a random value. So this F9060F is showing the closely is add stored we I obtained with this button light. The FF38C7 is a stored, our code is at store we are planning with is 5 button. For example, we need this 5 button. Button number 5 as a load on. So when I push this button, my load will become on. So I will copy this button at store, push a button in the front of the IR console. It will print the at store in the serial monitor. Now I copy these at stores and drop down the serial monitor downside. Store the code in the while loop. Here we can see these value I replaced with these values I replaced with underneath this equal to this bracket, never remove bracket and equal. These stores I replace them with we are getting these stored in serial monitor. So these stores are right now. If you download this code, you will need to you will make this change. So if you can do, take a remote, open a serial monitor, switch and you can push the switch. Which switch you then need to turn on your appliance, any appliance, and also other push switch, which switch you can use to turn off the appliance. Once you can do on at store and off at store and go to a loop, here we can see which appliance is connected which relay. There's include 4 relays, which relay you connect which appliance, and then each relay and this which appliance relay is you can change it, then simply change replacing this at stored on at stored with this at stored. We can change this my relays first, which is this appliance. We can replace it simply with this, right? Then similarly we can press the other button in the serial monitor in the front of the dispatcher, and similarly can that the other code in the serial monitor, which I can copy then and place to the setting number, and similarly we can push third switch, also that third code in serial monitor, copy and paste third here, and similarly 4 also passed in the by remote, and then replace here until this 8. So no matter if you are using single relay, then you will use 2 buttons as stored. You need to change one for on, one for off, not change any other code. Other 6 codes which are 3 for on and 3 for off. So you can only change number of cards. If you relay 3, you can use 3. If you have use one relay, then you can change only one relay at stored, and that's where you can change this thing. Now explain the circuit of IR mode control home automation. I'm told. Now explain told IR mode control home automation told. First include IR remote.h library, which library can detone your IR remote code. Include EPROM.h library, which include arduino on build EPROM constant int receive pin A0. So receiver pin at A0, IR receiver IR is ECV receiver pin detode results. So these then this command will detode the value which the mean from IR mode, which is also form of add stored. And there is the you can not 4 output relay, but I have single relay channel. You can use 4 channel relay with this software. So we will define the 4 relay pin 2, 3, 4, 5. Digital 2, 3, 4, 5. We can have 4 relays. Define 4 relays. Hash define relay 1, pin 2, hash defined relay 2, digital 3, hash defined relay 3, relay 3, digital pin 4, hash defined relay 4, digital 5. with and int load 1, load 2, load 3, load 4 power. So these are integer loads. Now there is a white setup. Here bidding rate is 9600. Pin mode relay 1, pin mode relay 2, pin mode relay 3, pin mode relay 4. All the both are output. Used as output because it is defined as output. And digital wide relay 1, digital relay 2, digital wide relay 2, 1, digital wide relay 3, 1, digital wide relay 4, 1. So both the relay are initially on define IR receiver enable R in. So it will enable the IR receiver in this command. IR receiver blink 13 true. So it is IR receiver blink 3 true. This false. There's a condition. It will do this condition there. This one. And there's 4 loads. Load 1, load 2, load 3, load 4 equals EPROM read 1. Load 2 equals EPROM read 2. Load 3 equals EPROM read 3. Load 4 equals EPROM read 4. Power equals EPROM read 5. So this, and then start while loop. If then there put a condition, if IR receiver value decoded decode and result fingerprint result value in adds. So this condition it will check if whether IR receiver is send that transmit the data, it will print in the serial monitor in form of add stored. If result value equal, then the add stored add value load 1 turn. So basically is that what we intend to do. First, initially it will tend it is what we tend to do. Now I realize what we tend to do. First, it will turn the body initial relay 4 relays turn on by pulling I. Yes, it will pull in both the 4 relay turn off while pulling up the relay, pulling relay I, because my relay it use a relay with relay 10. If we put a relay pin signal pin those I, then relay turn off and otherwise relay turn on. Because in case of relay signal pin, when you put a relay signal pin to the I signal, meaning a 5 volt digital signal like a 5 volt, or plus volt like a 5 volt or 3 volt, it will cut off the relay. If you pull the relay signal pin to the 0 volt rail, it will turn on the relay. So initially pull the body 4 relay, pull the I, that means relay those off in this state, and then we go back. If the resulting value equals this value which is add stored or binary decimal code, load 1 is pulled down, meaning load 1 is turned on. And else, if resulting value equal this add stored, then load 1 equals 1, meaning load is those I and loads will turn off. It will also print the serial print loads turn off. EPROM wide 1 load 1. And else, if the resulting value equals this add stored relay 2 those 0, meaning relay 2 is turn 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 on, and similarly if else the resulting value the resulting value equals this as stored, then relay 2 is turned off by pulling I, signal pin I, and this process repeats for third, fourth, all third and fourth relay also same, but only difference is that this stored every toad remote, every button have internal. Now tell the secret thing. Every remote and every remote button have its own edge stored or binary decimal code, which is form of this light dash, this type. So there are all the toads are placed in there is hourly difference. So this toad is the main toad which stored coming out for IR remote and read by this IR receiver of the and send to Arduino read and decode this, and then this will save in internal memory like this stored like there, and next time when push the switch, same switch, it will match them. If these two toads are any toads are to matching, which is then already one is available in the software on the this toad programming, and other will that in for remote, it will this made this condition will those condition those two, and which will those restart the load, that load will turn off and turn on accordingly. So when the and so there are total 4. IR receiver resumes delay other milliseconds. So IR receiver waiting for next. This command is used to IR receiver waiting for next value, reading for next value. If 0 equals 1, 0 equals 1, definition digital wide 4 1 relay to 4 relay both are I, meaning both relay are off. Meaning if relay 1, if else relay 1 to 4 those low, meaning relay those turn on. And this video is very much video I should pause.